Imagine spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on your dream home or commercial building only to discover cracked foundations, leaking roofs, or faulty electric work months later. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified attorney with Cueto Law Group, and today I'm explaining how Florida's construction defect statute can be your shield against costly construction nightmares. Florida's Chapter 558 provides a mandatory pre-lawsuit process that gives property owners the power to address construction defects before going to court. But most property owners don't realize they must follow this process exactly. Skip it and your lawsuit can be dismissed before it even begins. Here's how the process works. First, you must provide a written notice of claim to your contractor describing each defect, its location, and any damage it's caused. This notice must be sent at least 60 days before filing a lawsuit. If you're part of an association with 20 or more parcels, this extends to 120 days. After receiving your notice, the contractor has 30 days to inspect the property or 50 days for larger claims. Within 45 days of receiving your notice or 75 days for associations, the contractor must respond with one of three options: an offer to repair at no cost, a monetary settlement offer, or a dispute of your claim. At this point, you have a choice: accept their offer if it's fair, or proceed with the lawsuit if it's not. But here's what's crucial to understand. This process isn't optional. It's a legal requirement that must be followed before filing a construction defect lawsuit in Florida. Let me share a real example from our practice. A client purchased a newly built $1.2 million home in Coral Gables. 6 months after moving in, they discovered significant water intrusion through improperly installed windows. Initially, they wanted to immediately sue the builder, but instead, we guided them through the Chapter 558 process. After receiving our detailed notice, the builder inspected the property and initially disputed the claim. However, faced with our comprehensive documentation and the prospect of litigation, they ultimately offered to replace all the windows and repair damage at no cost, a $75,000 value. Had our client skipped the 558 process and filed the lawsuit directly, the case could have been dismissed, costing them thousands of dollars in legal fees with nothing to show for it. The 558 process creates three crucial advantages. It encourages early resolution without costly litigation, creates a paper trail showing your efforts to resolve the issue, and prevents contractors from claiming they didn't know about the problem. But most importantly, it preserves your right to sue if the contractor doesn't make a reasonable offer. If you've discovered construction defects in your property, don't wait until it's too late. Visit CuetoLawGroup.com to download our construction defect checklist that walks you through the entire 558 process. As one of the less than 1% of Florida attorneys who are board certified in international law, I bring a unique perspective to complex business and property matters. Remember, addressing construction defects properly isn't just about getting repairs. It's about protecting the value of your investment. Subscribe to our channel for more legal insights that protect your business and property interests, and let Cueto Law Group guide you through Florida's complex construction laws.